Alright, so navigation, make directory. Now that we can traverse the existing file system, let's try editing it by making directories folders through the command line. The command for that is make dir. Right, so instructions: navigate to the home user workspace block 2014 December / directory. Then list all files and directories in the working directory to see what's currently in there. We can just do ls 2014 / December. Okay. Then create a new directory named media. And media, if you list the contents of the working directory again, you should see your new directory. Okay. We've made our new media directory, but what if we wanted to create another directory inside that one? We could cd into media and then use make dir, or we could make the new directory from our current position by using a / to combine arguments as we did in the last lesson. So let's just do make dir media / TV. That's it. Okay, so touch. Now we know how to create directories through the command line, but how do we create new files? We can do this using the command touch. So list your working directory's current contents. Create a new file named keyboard.txt inside the working directory. If you list its contents again, you should now see the file listed. Touch the keyboard.txt. Helper commands. Now that we've covered the basics of navigating your file system from the command line, let's look at some helpful commands that will make using it easier. Right, so instructions: experiment with helper commands. Some things you could try are when you're working directly, when your working directory is home, user workspace block, type cd2 and then use tab. It should autocomplete up to cd201. This is because both possible directories, 2014 and 2015, start with 201. Okay, so let's try that. And then use clear. Let's clear the previous commands. Okay, so type cd2 and then tab. Then it will autocomplete. So if I do cd2 then tab, it's going to autocomplete. Yeah. This is because both directories 2014 2015 start with 201. Use ls to see what's the contents of your working directory. Okay, so ls, these are the contents. Then use cd with the first letter of one of those files or directories and use tab to autocomplete. Okay, so cd, or rather use ls to see what are the contents, then use cd with the first letter of one of those files. Okay, so cd, the first letter of one of those files, I'm just going to use h, then tab to autocomplete. use the up and down arrows to cycle through your previous commands. Okay. Which is like so, up and down. Use clear to clear everything. So I'm just going to clear. There you go. Right, this is just a review.